Hi there. I'm not human, but I look just like one, don't I?
That's the magic of Wondershare Virbo. We are realistic AI avatars that you can customize for your needs.
Imagine creating engaging product promotions, e-commerce videos, ads, presentations, or even sales pitches, all with avatars that feel real and captivate your audience.
And the best part? You don't need any special skills. With Virbo, creating these lifelike avatars is easy and accessible to everyone.
Stay tuned as we show you how to bring your ideas to life with Wondershare Virbo.
So what do you think of this video? Amazing, right? It's so realistic. And guess what? You can create videos like this in just a few minutes. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a magical tool that makes creating these realistic avatar videos a breeze. So without further ado, let's dive in. The incredible tool is called Wondershare Virbo and you will find the link to it in the description below. Here are some of the key features this AI tool offers: AI avatars, AI voice, AI script writing, AI video translation, and AI talking photos. The best part, it's available on Windows, mobile phones, and even online. You have two options: download it to your computer or use it online. I will go ahead and download it to my computer. Once downloaded and installed, you will see this interface. Here we have a comprehensive list of avatars, over 300 of them. You can choose avatars from different regions such as Japan, China, India, and even specific categories characters. Whether you want professional or casual avatars, the options are endless. If you want to create a video like the one you saw at the beginning, click on Fix Background. You will see male and female characters in different outfits. I use this template, so I'm going to click on Create Video. You can also select the aspect ratio. Now that our character is ready, you can type your script in text or upload an audio file. I will go with the text script option. Inside the text script section, there is an AI that can generate a script for you. Just give it a prompt. The AI generates a complete script for you. Or you can make your script longer, shorter, professional, or happier. Another great feature is the ability to translate your script into other languages like Chinese, English, Bengali, and more. Next, we choose the voice. There are over 300 voices available, classified by language: English, Spanish, and more. I will go with English and select a male voice.
Wondershare Virbo. Easy to use, no need to shoot. Make international.
Wondershare Virbo. Easy to use, no need to shoot. Make international marketing videos in seconds.
Wondershare Virbo. Easy to use, no need to shoot. Make international marketing videos in seconds.
You can also adjust the speed and volume of the voice. On the right, you can change the background to match your preference. There are many options available, and you can even add background music. Either upload your own or choose from the provided list. I'm not adding any music this time. You can also enable or disable subtitles. I will disable them and then hit export. And once the video is ready, you will find it in the My Creation section. You can download or preview it directly from there.
Looking to make money online with AI avatar videos? Choose a niche that interests you, such as tech, health, or entertainment. Utilize platforms like Synthesia.
And here it is. Look at how realistic it is. And if you don't want to use a fixed background, you can explore the template library, which offers different templates for various purposes, from news to product showcasing and social media marketing. Just pick your template and get started. Now let's explore another amazing feature: video translation. It allows you to translate any video into any language. I will upload a video. Select the original language and choose the target language. hit translate, and let's listen the result.
ऑनलाइन AI अवतार वीडियो के जरिए धन कमाने का विचार है। अपने इंटरेस्ट के मुताबिक कोई क्षेत्र चुनिए, जैसे कि टेक, हेल्थ या एंटरटेनमेंट। सिंथीसिया या पिक्ट्री जैसे प्लेटफॉर्म से आकर्षक AI अवतार बनाएं, जो आप
It sounds really good, right? This feature opens up huge opportunities to share your content worldwide. Regardless of the original language, you can always convert your video into any other language. Lastly, let's look at the talking photo feature. You can use these images or upload your own. You can enter a script or upload audio file, choose a voice and export it. The final output is impressive, your very own talking avatar.
Welcome to Wondershare Virbo. Generate engaging AI video in minutes.
So with endless possibilities, you can start your own YouTube channel and create content in any language. The free plan allows you to generate 2 minutes videos. So find the link in the description below and check it out. I hope you learned something new. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I will see you in the next video.